What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So we are heading to the drag strip because if you guys remember, I raced a 2021 Supra a few months ago, and well, I lost the race. Now, to be fair, I did have some really worn out tires in that race, but who cares? We're gonna do a rematch today. The car has proper tires on it today. Now, the Supra does have downpipes and a full exhaust, no tune on it still. So we're just gonna go ahead and rematch and see if we can make up for my M4 losing the last time we raced. So yeah, we're gonna do it at the drag strip, and I'll see you there. So we are at Vandermeer Speedway right now, and today's video is gonna be a rematch video against the 2021 Supra back there. If you guys know, last race didn't go so well between us, so now we're taking it to the track to see how my fully bolted M4 goes up against his Supra. So real quick, we're just checking the weight on the car. Checking the weight of my car, we're at like just over 3,600 pounds without me in it, so it's not too shabby. We're gonna weigh the Supra now. All right, so no.
Oh, look, it dropped. It's dropped.
So we got his Supra with just over 33, like basically 3,400 pounds. That's actually a couple hundred pounds lighter than the M4, so these things are definitely lightweight. All right, guys, we've got the GoPro set up and everything. We're just waiting in line now, but yeah, I'm super excited to see how the race goes between the two cars. You just got new tires, right? What tires are you running?
Nitto 555 GT.
Nitto 555 GTs, and they're G2. So this is his tire setup right here, and they are wide. Yep, 305s. I've got 285s on the M4, but yeah, these things should definitely give you some good traction. Dude, your tread is way better than mine. I need to stop doing those burnouts. But remember, guys, his YouTube channel is Simple KJ. So, oh, you took your sticker off.
I had to. We got new stickers ordered
For the whole thing?
I was gonna go. I texted you. I was like, I was gonna go get them, but it was just didn't plan out.
Yeah.
So they're in the mail. Hopefully, next time I'll do something.
Are they just gonna be like a bigger sticker?
No, they'll still be right here. It'll just be Instagram. Some more stuff.
Oh yeah. The exhaust is back on though, dude. Those exhaust tips look huge.
Yeah, the exhaust is a secret.
Look at that. That is insane. Like, it's like the size of my palm. Yeah, she's looking really good though. Dang, it's fully gutted too. Look at those tires. It's like Brian's car. So is that what you're trying to get to? Get to that level?
No, the repo man's gonna get me before I get anywhere.
Yeah, that's true. That thing's sick. We got the state trooper handing out gaps to the Mustang. Dang, he ran at 16, man. That is slow.
If I run at 16, I quit.
Dude, I think we'd be able to gap these cops on the streets. All right, let's check out this Supra. It's on slicks. That is a fast Supra. Dude, that's really good. These things are no joke. Got the state trooper. They always come out on these nights and do runs with people. It's pretty cool. All right, guys, so that first run, it was pretty good. Did a slight burnout. I did have a little bit of wheel spin though, but my time was 12:1, and I trapped out at almost 1:14. And then Anthony,
I shifted so early at first. I shifted at like 3,000 RPM. I got scared.
Yeah. No, man, you gotta let the car shift for itself.
Nah, he said put in manual mode.
Manual mode? Okay.
It doesn't restrict it.
But to be fair, this is his first time at the drag strip,
Yeah,
so
I have no idea what I'm doing. And they were over there telling me stuff and this and that, but
yeah, well, I'll show you guys our numbers, and yeah, we're gonna do a rerun, but you have a good feeling what you're doing now when you get up there. Yeah. The first run, I didn't expect you to do anything. So second run, it's gonna be a little bit closer, so we'll keep going. So these are the times, guys. So I have ran a 12-second flat before. Now the goal is to get into like the high 11s, like an 11.9 would be great. So we're gonna aim for that, but there's all the other numbers right there. So yeah, we're gonna keep going. But as we all know, forged carbon fiber does add horsepower. So I think I gained about 20 more horsepower by adding all this forged carbon. So we're definitely seeing that in today's video, in today's races. All right, guys, so that last run didn't go too smoothly. I'm not sure what Chris did off the line, but I messed up. I activated my launch control, and then my light wasn't adjusted on the tree, so I had to let go of the launch control. So then when I went back to launch it, it wasn't activating, so I had to go through all my settings and then get it back into launch control to do my launch. So yeah, I completely messed it up.
you messed yours up too?
What happened, bro?
Dude. Oh my gosh. So, you know how the light turns blue, that it has to be a full circle?
Yeah.
I went backwards to try and make it a blue circle so the light would hit, and as soon as I did that, it started going. So
and you were in reverse?
They're like, we'll restart it for you. And then even when I did that, I built the RPM up like he said. I don't know what happened. It just like said, and then I just rolled into it. So
really?
I lost a whole second.
Shoot, man.
Like
Yeah, that was a little rough for both
13.5.
of us.
Yeah.
You did a 13.5?
That was not it.
I did I didn't even look. I got a 12.5 at 111, so horrible. So
Still went 108.
Oh, really? That's crazy.
I don't know how that works.
I think this is our last run because they might be closing soon. So we are gonna make this a good run. We won't mess up this time, guys. We're gonna make it a good final race between the two cars.
I ain't making no promises.
All right. We'll make it happen. We'll make something happen.
Something's gonna happen.
Yeah. So plans for this car is definitely to make it hit like 11s and 10s for the quarter mile. Now we have to do a custom tune on it. I don't think turbos are happening this year. That's probably going to be next year. And then I do want to do a beefier tire setup, like have a second set of wheels for the track and everything to just have full traction when I'm hitting off the line, because these things love to spin. But it's still like kind of near stock power, so I'm not expecting too much out of it right now, but we do want to do big plans with this thing. Again, I don't know if I'm going twins or single turbo, but we'll just have to see what the future holds. Oh, really? It was just spinning?
But I left at like 2,500 RPM, so it felt good if I would have hooked.
Yeah.
My burnout was pretty.
Your RT was really good. Your off the line launch. So let's see. Let's show them the times.
Got even worse, but.
So, but yeah, your RT was a lot better than your previous runs.
Oh, you went 12.5 too?
Damn, 12. Dude, how did I get a 12.1 on my first one? Dude, this felt like my best launch out of all the launches I've done. I don't know how I got a 12.5, but
we'll learn. It's,
yeah,
you
this
know
is
what I mean?
practice, yeah.
Dude, you got me hooked now, so we're gonna be getting it. All you guys, hit us up on Instagram and all that. Reach out. Love to bring a group. Actually, make it a thing where we come spend a couple hours, have fun.
Yeah.
Like now, I actually know what I'm doing.
Yeah,
we didn't do terrible. We didn't do terrible. You know.
So guys, yeah, that's gonna be a wrap for today. It was Chris's first time at a drag strip, so he was learning a bunch of stuff. And I just got here too late. We both got here too late, so we were only able to do 3 races. If we got here a couple hours earlier, we would have been able to do like 10 or 12 runs, so that's our fault for getting here late. We're gonna have to film a part 3 though, with, you know, Chris having a little bit more practice and with us being able to get more runs than just 3 in. But yeah, I'm happy with how the M4 did today. Definitely want to tune it so I can get into the at least 11s. We got to get those snacks for the drive home because it's super late and we haven't ate dinner. This gas station's right next to the drag strip, so it's just tradition to come here and grab snacks afterwards. All right, guys, so it is a little loud because there's some power washing being done behind us, but that's gonna wrap up this video. So we were able to race a few cars again. The M4 did win today, but that could change once Chris gets a little more experience at the drag strip. So there's gonna be future videos with these cars going head to head, so just stay tuned for that. But like always, guys, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to Chris's channel. It's gonna be linked down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.